See the 16th question. For the given digital circuit, write the truth table and identify the logic gate it represents. So, what they gave in the 16th, see, what they gave here is, here one OR gate is there. Not OR gate, NOR gate. If both are A, if it is OR gate, what we will get? A only we will get. Because it is NOR gate, we will get A bar. Understanding? Next, another one. This is also NOR gate. Both are B. So it will be B bar. These two are applied to one more NOR gate. Then what we will get? A bar, if it is OR gate, A bar plus B bar. Because NOR gate, A bar plus B bar whole bar we will get. From De Morgan's theorem, A bar plus B bar whole bar is equal to AB. So, what we will get is finally AB will be AND gate. So, answer will be 16th question, it will be 4th option. Clear? Next. 17th question, see. What they are asking, 17. Alpha value is given, beta value is how much? Beta is equal to alpha by 1 minus alpha. 0.98 by 1 minus 0.98. 0.98 by 0.02. This value will be 49. We got 17. It will be second option. Okay. Next, 18. What is that? See. A tuned amplifier circuit is used to generate a carrier frequency of 2 MHz. For amplitude modulation, the value of root LC will be F is equal to 1 by 2 pi root LC. Root LC is equal to 1 by 2 pi F. 1 by 2 pi into frequency value they gave 2 MHz. 1 by 4 pi into 10 power 6. So 18th it will be 4th option. Clear? See the 19. What they are asking, 19. Circuit wrong is there. Modify this circuit like this. Here 2 ohms is there. Here diode will be like this. And one resistor and one battery. Here this value will be 3 ohm. Let it be 4 ohm. It will be 12 volt. Then see, it will be in forward bias. It will be in reverse bias. So current will not pass through this. Current will pass through this. So what is the total resistance? 4 plus 3, 7. I is equal to V by R total. V value will be 12. This will be 4 plus 3. Now here you change the diagram shape. Here they gave it as it is also in reverse bias. When both are in reverse bias, no current will be there in the circuit. You modify it as in the forward bias. Printing mistake is there. The diagram they draw wrong. So here 12 by 7 means 1.71 amperes. So 19th it will be second option. Next 20. What they are asking, see. See 20 amplitude modulation. Actually this amplitude modulation question is relating to communication system. Both in the NEET and both in the state board they deleted that part. So no need. 20, question number 20, question number 22, question number 27, 28. These 4 questions are relating to what? Communication system chapter. Communication system chapter is not there for CET and for NEET. Just neglect that questions, no need. Next, 21. What they are asking, see. LED is constructed from PN junction based on a certain semiconducting material whose energy gap is 1.9 electron volt, wavelength of the emitted light. Lambda is equal to 12,400 by capital E. Here this will be in electron volt. Answer will come in angstrom unit. Already we did that type of models. So 12,400. This value already in electron volt. They gave that value as 1.9 electron volt. If we calculate this one, 6526 angstrom unit will come, or 6.5 into 10 power minus 7 meter, 21. It will be first option. Next, 22. What they are asking? 22 no need. 23. They gave one truth table. The truth table is not AND table, not AND gate, not NOR gate, not OR gate. So except that will be NAND gate. 23rd, it will be first option. 24. Input characteristics of a transistor in common emitter mode is the graph obtained from. Input will be drawn between IB and VBE. Okay. So how the graph in common emitter configuration, input characteristics will be drawn between IB and VBE at constant VCE. So that graph shapes will be like this. Check the synopsis of this chapter. Easily you will get that graph. 24 it will be second option. Next, 25. What they are asking, see. Here, just like 16th question only, this is also one NOR gate, So how much we will get here? It will be A bar. It will be B bar. These two are applied to NAND gate. If it is AND gate, what will comes? A bar dot B bar, NAND gate. A bar dot B bar whole bar we will get. So according to De Morgan's theorem, this value will be A plus B. A plus B will be OR gate. So 25, it will be first option. Next, 26 you see. What they are asking, transistor collector current varies by 0.49 milliampere. So delta IC is equal to 0.49 milliampere. Emitter current varies by 0.50 milliampere. Okay. Current gain beta is equal to we know delta IC by delta IB. Delta IC by delta IE minus delta IC. So 0.49 by 0.50 minus 0.49. So we'll get 0.49 by 0.01. So this value will be 49. Okay. 26. It will be fourth option. Okay. Next. 27. What is that? See, the process 27, 28 no need ma, already I told to you. 29, the energy gap in the case of following is less than 3 electron volt. Germanium, it will be 0.7 electron volt. For silicon, it will be 1.1 electron volt. Generally you will confuse while writing the alphabets. What we will do, first G will come na, later S will come. G, H, I, J, K, L, like that it will come na. First G will come na, so it will have less value. Like that you remember. These values you will remember easily. But what will happen in the examination time, you will get doubt either for silicon or for germanium, like that you may get doubt. To how to modify, minimize that one means germanium first come na, it will have less value. Silicon in the alphabets next will come, so it will have more value. Like that you remember. And iron, copper, aluminum, all are metals. In that no forbidden energy gap will be there. So option will be 29. It will be 29, that is 29. It will be first option. Clear? Next, 30. What they are asking, say, they gave one circuit, simple circuit. Lot of circuits we did in the current electricity. This will be one circuit. What is the PD in between A and B? That is the question. Here current flowing through the circuit, how much they mentioned? 0.2 milliampere. 5 kilo ohm, 5 kilo ohm, totally 10 kilo ohm. So 0.2 into 10 power minus 3 I value. R value totally 10 kilo ohms. And this will be opposite. Now we have to add that. So that will be 0.2 drop will be there. So this value 2. This will be 0.2. So this value totally 2.2 volt. 30. It will be first option. Okay. Next 31. What they are asking, see, which of the following semiconducting devices is used as voltage regulator? Zener diode will be used as the voltage regulator. 31, it will be second option. 32, what they are asking, see, add one term in the question. Which of the following logic gate is an AND gate? Which gate will be AND gate? That is the question. Third option will be the answer for it. 33, what they are asking, see, in common emitter amplifier, input AC signal to be amplified is applied. Where input signal will be applied means base emitter junction. Forward biased base emitter junction. So 33, it will be first option. Next 34, A1 B0 A plus B bar. A will be 1, 0 bar means 1. 1 plus 1 will be 1. So what will be the options means? First option is not correct because they gave B. B means 0, na? Second option they gave B bar. 0 bar means 1. This is correct. Third option also A. A is also 1, na? So this is also correct. So for this question, 2 answers will come. So they gave additional marks at that year. 34, it will be both B and C will be correct for it. No, 2 and 3. 2 and 3 options are correct for this. Okay. Next 35. What they are asking, see, 35. All are simple questions. The density of electron hole pair in a pure germanium is 3 into 10 power 16. In intrinsic semiconductor, this is 3 into 10 power 16 meter power minus 3 per meter cube. Later it is doped. Then hole density becomes 4.5 into 10 power 22 per meter cube. What is the electron density? Here formula Ni square is equal to Nh into Ne. So Ne is equal to Ni square by Nh. Ni square means 9 into 10 power 32 by 4.5 into 10 power 22. Then it will be 2 into 10 power 10. Okay. So what will be the answer for it is 35. It will be second option. Okay. Next 36. See 36, all of you. 36, how it will be there means, here one NOR gate is there. One input is defined as 1. Okay. So other input, what are the chances? There may be 0, there may be 1. 1 or 0, other than no inputs will be there, na? Clear? Understanding. One input will be 1. Here it may be 0, it may be 1. If it is 0, what will be the output here? 1, 0. If it is OR gate, it will be 1, because NOR gate output will be 0. If it is 1, 1, 1, OR gate output will be 1. NOR gate output will be 0. So, if it is 0 or 1, here output will be always 0 only. Okay. They gave this value as P. Here one more is there, NOR gate. This is also NOR gate. One input will be 0. Here another input. It may be 0, it may be 1. If it is 0, 0, 0, OR gate 0, NOR gate 1. 1, 0, OR gate 1. Input will be, so 0, 0, it will be 0, reverse it will be 1. So here you see, here they joined this one, na? Yes. Here it will be 0. Here they joined this one like this. And for this also they joined like this. So always it will be 0 means it will be 0. 0, 0, 0, output will be 1. Okay. So what we will get here, P value will be 0, Q value will be 1. 36, it will be third option. Okay, once again see, here input will be 1. It may be 0 or 1. If it is 0 or 1, here output will be always 0. Here 0 is there, here this input is 0, output will be 1. So P0, Q1, it will be third option. Next, 37. What is that? See, the conductivity of a semiconductor increases with increase in the temperature. If we increase the temperature, conductivity will increase. Y means number density of and all of that, fourth option will be the correct answer. So 37, it will be fourth option. Just theory question, check it. 13.8. Last question. Now we will confine this session. For a transistor amplifier, voltage gain, this is also third option, is low at high and low frequencies and constant at mid frequencies. 38, it will be third option. Okay. With this we will confine this session. Still neat questions around 60 are there. Every session 20 questions like that. In 5 sessions we will complete the chapter. Okay, we will stop now.